my creatively intelligent artists. Welcome back to art class. Today, we are going to be creating comic strip. A comic strip is a series of cartoon that tells a story or part of a story. And we're going to be creating this comic strip, Ribbit and Friends, using Google Slides. Now, the first thing you're going to do is to go to your Google account, click on the apps bar, select blank slide. I'm going to go ahead and insert a table. We're going to do a 3-table box. Move the table to the sides, expand the table. Now I'm going to go to Insert, Image. And if you have any images on your computer, you can upload it from your computer. You can search on the web. If you have any photos, you want to use your camera. So we are going to be using the internet. So I'm going to search for cartoon frogs. Enter. Scroll down and I'm going to select this frog. And I am going to use the left keypad on the mouse to draw the frog, place it on my table. I'm going to go ahead and adjust the size, make it smaller. This is my frog Ribbit. I'm going to go ahead and make a copy of Ribbit and I'm going to paste him in each box. I'm also going to scroll down and I'm going to find Ribbit's friend. Select. I'm going to add him to the table. Now, because there's a lot of space around the frog, I'm going to select the crop tool to make it smaller. I'm also going to shrink the size, make him a bit smaller so that he can fit beside Ribbit. Adjust Ribbit size a bit. There you go. I'm going to search for a cartoon lily pad. I'm going to select this one, place it in front of Ribbit, adjust the size, place it in front of Ribbit, because we know frogs love the pond. Make it a bit bigger. Then I'm going to select this lily pad and I'm going to place it on this side. Make it smaller. I'm going to copy Ribbit's friend. I'm going to paste him in this box and paste him onto the lily pad. Now if you notice, I'm pasting him where the white flower is. so that he can blend into the background. So right click, and I'm also going to bring his friend who ended up at the back to the front. Bring to the front. So we have both Ribbit and his friend on the lily pad. Feel free to click on the boxes and use the arrow to make the boxes bigger. Now we're going to go ahead and insert his speech bubble. We're going to go to Shapes and select Call Out. And I'm going to use this speech bubble here. And then draw the speech bubble. I'm going to change the color of the inside of the speech bubble. I can click on it and type. If you would like the text to be larger, you can go ahead and highlight the text and select the size. You can also change the font. I'm going to use Times New Roman. Now I'm going to add another speech bubble in this box. I'm going back to Shape to call out, add a speech bubble. I'm going to change the background color to white. I'm going to add my text. Now to the background, I'm going to add a sun. So I'm going back to Insert, going to scroll, Shapes. I'm going to select the sun icon, create a sun. I'm going to change the color of the sun to yellow. I'm going to go back to Insert, select Shape, and I'm going to select a cloud. I'm going to place the cloud in front of the sun. Now I'm going to go ahead and create a speech bubble for Hop. I'm going back to Call Out, speech bubble, this one right here. Place it right there. Change the color in my speech bubble to white. Now if you notice, my speech bubble is a bit too small, so I'm going to make it bigger. If you want your words to be aligned properly, you can go ahead and click on these three dots. Click on the alignment and we can get it centered. Now the last step I'm going to take is to add a title for my comic strip. I'm going to go to Word Art, select, and I'm going to type Ribbit and Friend. And select Enter. Now it's going to come on your screen large, So you can use your icon to make it smaller, stretch it, and you can go to fill colors, and I'm going to change my color to a dark green. Now when you're finished creating your comic strip, go to File, select Download. You can save it as a PowerPoint, you can save it as a PDF file, or you can save it as an image. Now you can select JPEG to save it as an image, and it will automatically download. I hope you had fun in today's art class. See you next time.